show you how to make carrot rice. First, we need curry leaf, bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, one chili, white rice, ghee, carrot, garlic. First, we need to get the carrot. First, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then chili. Then curry leaf. Then garlic. Watch it for a minute. Then add all of the spices. You smell the nice aroma of the spices, then add carrot. Add rice and let it go for a few minutes. First add salt, then add liquid amount of water. Check the taste and add the salt when you need it. Perfect. Let it cook for 20 minutes on low flame.